Are you in the market for a new utility room? Are you looking for inspiration? Do you need ideas? Do you need to know where the journey would start? Well, I'm going to tell you about mine. It started with a tile, which I'll show you here. It's the Boulevard Avignon. And it all started with these tones, which I was absolutely in love with. They were warm, they were muted, they were safe. And I also wanted a little bit of pattern in my floor to give the wow. From that, it led to the cabinetry, which I opted for a stone matte colour, which would tie in with the floor tile and keep the tones warm. From a practicality point of view as well, it's great. From a dusting point of view, white can be quite harsh and keep clean, so I decided on that colour based on that too. For the walls, I used Elephant's Breath by Farrow & Ball. It's the perfect tone which complements the stone matte. Then for kitting out and design, I worked with a fitter who took 3 tweaks actually on the design to get this ultimate thing. I also decided to stack my washing machine and tumble dryer to save on space. Then the LED strips we also incorporated into the design. I think it adds a bit of flair to the room. I also think from a point of view of being able to see what's in the room, it's great. Lighting. I also put in spots and I put everything on a sensor so we no longer have to walk into the room and turn on and off the lights. The light will just automatically come on. Storage. We also wanted a boot room stroke utility. So we have these handy little racks in here which have shoes, handbags, everything on them. Kept a little key rack here for storage because ideally this utility room, it is a utility, it's a pantry, and it's also a boot room because unfortunately we all can't have 3 rooms in our house. But I think it's turned out great. I love the little bar area over here. I think it's amazing. I could be biased, I designed it myself. But what do you guys think? Would you do the same with your utility room? Would you have it like this? Let us know.